Hey traders and learners, welcome back to WECAN Grow Academy, your go-to hub for smart, structured, and scalable trading tools. Today, we're excited to share a major milestone in our journey. Introducing the WECAN Magical Indicator, designed with powerful, proven indicators that work together to generate clear and confident buy and sell signals. This isn't just another signal generator, it's built for clarity, modular logic, and real-time insights, crafted with the same precision we bring to every WECAN Grow project. In Stage 1, backtesting is focused on EIT, sectors stocks. We tested entry accuracy, target achievement, and overall performance, and the results? Solid, consistent, promising. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned, trade smart, and let's grow together with WECAN Grow Academy.
Hello traders, in this video I am going to show you the backtest of Network People SRV Tech Limited. This backtest is based on my WECAN Magical Indicator. I have combined multiple powerful indicators to generate clear buy and sell signals. My stop loss is set at 25% from the entry price. I simply wait for a buy signal to enter and exit it on either sell signal or at stop loss, whichever comes first. These alerts are shared directly on our premium Telegram group. Let us have a glimpse of the backtest on the TradingView chart. See, the buy signal as prompted. Simultaneously, we have the trade history running dynamically. The trade histories are shown dynamically on the chart itself. See, the entries took place on 22nd May 2022. Still the trade is running since it is for the best indicator for the investor for a long-term journey. So far we have 650, 102%, 200%. See the beautiful almost 400%. So it's running on 20. In 1 year, it's 400%. Just believe the system. Just believe our indicator. Indicator guides you when to exit the trade. See, we have taken an example as in 10,000 investment on 2022. So it's almost 1,500% is running. Still now the system doesn't provide you any exit signal. You can hold for a longer period. It's up to your appetite. You can still even book your 50% or 80% of your quantity at 200, 300, 500% and you can hold it. So now it went to 4,000%. Now it has come down. The system will give you the exact time when to exit. It identifies when the market is getting reversed. So it's keep. I'm just forwarding with 7x. Still the trade is running. So almost 2024, 25. Almost 3 years we are holding our positions with a good return. It's almost returns are 9,000%. It's a good return of 10,000 as an investment. See, almost 7,70,000. System has provided you the sell signal. Exactly, the sell signal is on 27 Jan. So it has got recorded here. It's amazing, no? It's the test results is solid and consistent and promising. In the stage 2, we'll be testing more sectors and soon we'll be releasing those testing results. Thank you for watching.